I just changed my baby's diaper. I had to do a part 2 because someone was calling on the Wrenie Bird phone. So I changed my baby's diaper. Hope that's secure enough because, oh no, it's not. Wait. I need Mama Bird to help me. Mama Bird, it's loose up here.
Oh well, that's definitely gonna leak. Did you make sure that she was empty? Because that feels pretty wet in there.
Really?
Maybe that's just
From
the aftermath.
Yeah.
There we go. Mama.
Yes.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome. Okay. So, I'm going to take my baby alive, lay her down once again. Then put it in like this. Oh, drippy. There we go. And in part 3, I will show you how to make your baby have fun. It's going to be really fun. I'm not kidding. You just got to keep on feeding her, though. Come on, sweetie, drink your water. Oh, drippy, big drippy. Okay, let's feel your diaper. Not too wet yet. Did you make a wettie? Doesn't feel like it. Feels cold, but, you know. Oh, drippy. With this baby alive, you can just wipe her drips off because she's made out of plastic. And this dress is waterproof. Oh, drippy. What? There's nothing else to do. Oh, Mama Bird, feel this diaper. Feel this wet diaper. It's not too wet.
Oh, jelly donut.
Do not drip. And to let you know when I'm doing this on, it's a few days, well, like, probably like, how many days before Christmas, Mama Bird?
Oh, I would say 28.
28 days to Christmas, so the day I'm doing this is 28 days to Christmas. This is okay, never mind. You have a wet diaper yet? Nope. Since water's dripping down her neck, I feel like she does have a wet diaper. Okay, since this is empty, I'm going to. By the way, leave a comment down below in the comment box if you would like to see me do more videos. In another video, we'll do my one that goes, you know what, poop. And this is soakinger than the other one, so now we know that she wouldn't be a lot. Put that aside. Okay. So, bye. That's all for this video. Next video, I hope you like it, because that's how to keep your baby having fun. Woohoo! So, I can't wait to show you that video, because that video will be fun for your mama. Woo! So, bye. Hope you like this party. How to feed your baby, and leave something down in the comments and let me know if you want me to do more videos of this and what videos else you want me to do. Bye!